Hello friends, welcome to part 5 in Voice AI blog series. In part 1 of the series, we used OpenAI Whisper Python package for speech to text. It works great and it has been the go-to for local transcriptions. But the AI space moves very fast and there is a new player that's beating Whisper on almost every benchmark. I'm going to introduce Qwen3-ASR. This is a brand new open source ASR model family from Alibaba's Qwen team. It was released in January 2026. The 1.7 billion parameter version achieves state-of-the-art performance among all the open source ASR model and is very competitive with the strongest commercial APIs out there. So here is what it makes it special. First of all, it supports more than 52 languages and dialects out of the box. Not just major languages, but also 22 Chinese dialects and various English accents. Second, it can handle speech, singing voices, and even songs with the background music. Third, it comes with a built-in force alignment model for world-level timestamps. And fourth, it's incredibly fast. The 0.6 billion version can transcribe 2000 seconds of audio in just 1 second with batch processing. So I'm going to set it up and see how it compares to Whisper. Now before we write any code, let me explain what you're going to get with the Qwen3-ASR family. There are in fact 3 different models. Qwen3-ASR 1.7 billion, which is best for accuracy, is a state-of-the-art among open source ASR model. It supports more than 52 languages. Second is Qwen3-ASR 0.6 billion. It is best for a speed accuracy trade-off. It's like 2000 times throughput at a batch of 128. Third is Qwen3 Forced Aligner. It's also 0.6 billion version. It's a world-level timestamps. It aligns text-to-speech pairs in 11 different languages. So the 1.7 billion model is the powerhouse and use it when the accuracy is your top priority. I would use the 0.6 billion model when you need speed. Use it when you want to process the large volumes fast. And the Force Aligner version is the timestamp specialist. So if you are working on your YouTube video or anywhere when you need timestamps, it plugs in either the model to give you precise word level or character level timing. So for today, I'm going to use the 1.7 billion model with the Force Aligner for the best possible results. So let's get started with installation. First thing we are going to start. The Qwen team provides a dedicated Python package called Qwen3-ASR. It handles all the heavy lifting. So they recommend always, whenever you are working on any other project, I highly recommend creating a fresh Python environment to avoid dependency conflicts. So here, let's install by using the command pip install -u Qwen-ASR. Now this main package here is the Qwen under QWEN under -ASR. So one pip install and you get the full inference framework, the model loader and all the dependencies. The package supports 2 backends, a transformer backend for simplicity and a VLLM backend for the maximum speed. So we are going to use the transformers backend today because it's the easiest to get started with. Second thing is the Flash installation. This is an optional for faster inference. So you can always say pip install -u flash -attn. So Flash attention again is an optional but recommended. What it's going to do, it helps you reduce GPU memory uses and speeds up inference. So especially when you're working with the long audio files, and if you have a compatible NVIDIA GPU, I highly recommend you installing Flash Attention too. Now let's write our first transcription. This is the simplest possible use. So load the model, give it audio and get the text back, as simple as that. So here, as you can see, we are going to write the import torch and then from Qwen_ASR, I'm going to import Qwen3-ASR model. So as you can see, line 1, it imports the necessary package. Line 2, Qwen3-ASR, as I stated, we are going to import the Qwen3-ASR model. This imports the main model class from the Qwen-ASR package. The single class handles everything, model loading, audio processing, and transcription. Now from line number 4 through line number 10, where it says model equals to Qwen3-ASR model dot from pre-train, this loads the Qwen3-ASR 1.7 billion model. Let me break down the parameters. So the model name here is Qwen3-ASR 1.7 billion. It tells which model to download from Hugging Face. Now data type is set to toss.bfloat16. which is half precision format that cuts down memory uses in half while maintaining the quality. This is again the recommended precision for this model. Device underscore map is set to CUDA to load the model onto your GPU, and maximum new tokens is 256, which sets the maximum number of tokens the model can generate per audio segment. You increase this for a very long audio files. Now next, line 12 through line 15, you see the results equals to model.transcribe. This is where you call the transcription. We pass the path to the audio file and optionally specify the language as English. So if you set language to none, the model will try to auto detect the language, and it's actually really good. So you can leave it blank. You are always in safe hands when you're working this model. And the language identification is one of the core features. Next, line number 17 and line number 18. The transcribe method returns a list of results objects. Each result has a language property and a text property. We are going to print both of this. Notice how clean this API is compared to Whisper. So you don't need to manually parse dictionaries. Now, next thing is here is where Qwen3-ASR really puts ahead. Whisper gives you segment level timestamp, but Qwen3-ASR, it gives you world level timestamps using a dedicated force alignment model. Let me show you how. So again, I'm going to write a bunch of code here. Import torch from Qwen3-ASR, same thing, import Qwen3-ASR model, and then I'm going to walk you through this code. So like line 10, when you say force aligner equals to Qwen3 force aligner 0.6b, this is the key addition. When you're loading the main ASR model, we are going to tell it to load the force aligner model. This is a separate 0.6 billion parameter model specifically designed for timestamp prediction. It supports 11 different languages and can align text-to-speech pair at the word or even the character level if you need, whenever you need that. Next, line 11 through 14, force aligner underscore keyword arguments. Now these are the initialization arguments for the force aligner. We are going to set it to the same data type and device as the main model. Both models will run on your GPU simultaneously. Line number 21, where you say return timestamps equals to true. This single flag tells the transcribe method to also run the force alignment pass after transcription. So without this flag, you're only going to get text only. And if you say return time equals to true, you are going to get the precise world level timing. Finally, line 30 to line 32, we are going to loop through the timestamp array. Each stamp object has three properties: start time, end time, and text. The start and end times are in second. The text is the individual word or character that was aligned. So this is incredibly useful for generating subtitles, karaoke effects, or any application where you need to know exactly when each word was spoken. One of the killer features of Qwen3-ASR is the native batch inference. So you can transcribe multiple audio files in a single call, and the model processes them all in parallel. With Whisper, you have to loop through the files one by one. So this is the code which does the batch transcription all at once. Now, notice how we pass list for both the audio and language parameters. The audio list contains path to multiple files, and the language list tells the model what language each file is in. So you can also set language to none for any file and let the model auto detect. And the model processes all the files in a single forward pass, which is significantly faster than processing them one at a time. So this is powered, in case if you're wondering where it's coming from, this is powered by the max inference batch size parameter we set during the model loading. So by the time, by default, it defaults to 32, but you can always increase it if you have enough GPU memory. Now let's talk about one of my favorite features. Qwen3-ASR has built-in language identification for 52 languages and dialects. You don't need to know the language ahead of time. So just set the language to none, and the model handles everything. It identifies the language first, then transcribe in that language. This is huge for application where you are processing audio from multiple languages and you don't even know which one is coming in. Now, how to use the force aligner standalone. So here is a cool trick. You can also use the force aligner as a standalone model. If you already have a transcript and you just need the timestamp, you can skip the ASR step entirely, like what we did in video number 2, where we just wanted to generate the timestamp from a given audio. So what you can do, if you already have the transcript, you just need the timestamp, you can skip the ASR step entirely and go straight to the alignment. Now this code, as you can see, this is a complete code. It's a standalone force alignment code. Line number 2, as you can see, we import the Qwen3 force aligner instead of Qwen3-ASR model. This is a separate class dedicated to alignment. Line 11 through 16, the align method takes 3 different parameters: the audio file, the text you want to align, and the language. The text parameter is the transcript you already have. So this is a perfect when you already got a script and just need to know when each word was spoken. This is really, I can't stress enough, this is very useful when you are working with a YouTube video and sometimes you want to make it you want to display the captions. So this is very helpful. The force aligner supports up to 5 minutes of audio per call and works across 11 different languages: Chinese, English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, you name it. Okay, there are 11 different languages it supports right now. Now here is the big question. Now, should you switch from Whisper to Qwen3-ASR? Let me break down the comparison. First of all, Whisper still wins on raw language count. Whisper supports 99 different languages and Qwen supports 52. But still, I'm pretty sure that, your language is already included in those 52. Okay, I'm not trying to be biased, but Qwen3 definitely is getting better and better. Right now, it supports the 52 languages, and I hope they will include more and more. It also wins on accuracy, speeds, timestamp, batch inference, streaming, and song recognition. So if you work primarily with the major world languages and want the best possible quality, Qwen3-ASR is the new champion. All right, so here I'm going to leave you some pro tips to get the most out of Qwen3-ASR. Tip number 1, use bfloat16 precision. This is the recommended data type for Qwen3-ASR. It halves your memory compared to if you're using float32 while maintaining the model quantity. So bfloat16 is going to give you a very good quality output while maintaining the same model quality, and you are reducing your memory size by half. Tip number 2, install flash attention 2 for long audio. Tip number 3, you can increase the max new tokens for long audio. The default of 256 tokens works for short clips, but if you have a long audio or faster speech, you can always increase it to 512 or even 1024. Tip number 4, use the 0.6 billion model for the high throughput pipelines. So if you are building a production system that processes thousands of audio files, you can always use the 0.6 billion model. Tip number 5, clear GPU cache when you are going to switch the model. And final, tip number 6, the model auto downloads weights on the first run. So the 1.7 billion model is about 3.5 gigabytes. So make sure you have enough disk space and stable connection. And after the first download, everything loads from your local Hugging Face cache. Okay, this is the only one-time job. So that's it. That's all I wanted to cover in this video today. I just introduced you how to use this new state-of-the-art open source speech recognition model. So we transcribed audio into multiple languages. We added world-level timestamps with the force aligner. We ran batch inference on the multiple file at once. And even we use the force aligner standalone for alignment-only workflows. So this model is faster, more accurate, more feature-rich than Whisper for most use cases. So if you find this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.